Okay, I'm going to show you instructions for making a pocket model solar system to put in your astronomy toolbox. So the first thing you need is the meter stick that we made earlier in class. And you're going to stretch it out. And what we're going to do is you're going to take some receipt tape or some ticker tape, I like to call, and you're going to make a strip of machine tape a little longer than your meter stick. And then you're going to take a pencil and you're going to mark on each end where the meter is, and you want to leave some extra. So on each end I want to leave some extra. There's my line for the end of my meter stick. I'm going to do the same thing on the other end. And then you're done with your meter stick. You can put it back in your astronomy toolbox so it doesn't get lost. On one side, you're going to write your name, your class period. So let's say I'm in the Firefly class, Captain Reynolds, and my Alfie number. So I'm going to say my Alfie number is 12 since Johnson is in the middle of the alphabet. So I'm going to, then I've been given planets. You'll be given a set of planets. Everything we do project-wise is going to be adapted, zapped from the internet. So you can always find these activities. This was an image that I Googled, solar system, model solar system, so you can find this. It's the same with the pocket model of the solar system. So you're going to cut out your planets, and you're going to want to make sure to leave the planet name, the dotted line, and cut as close as you can to the circle, because that's really what's important. Now, Earth has a solid line. You don't need that. You're going to cut it off. And notice that Jupiter and Saturn don't have very long, I keep looking in the wrong place, long dotted lines. So the next thing you're going to do is you're going to cut out the names. You'll have one of these on your table also, or when you're not here, you can cut them out. And when you do that, I've already cut mine out, you want them to be very tiny strips of paper. And then I had leftover strips of paper, and you can use those to make the dotted lines for Jupiter and Saturn. So we'll recycle our trash, I guess. So then you're going to be given the instruction sheet. And if you notice, you have a picture of what your machine tape should look like through each step of the process, so that you'll have something to look at as we go. So I'll do the first step. The first step says, using your meter stick blah blah blah, we are going to put the sun on one end. It was part of our names. So I'm going to use tape. You can use glue, either one. So I have the sun. And on the other side, put the Kuiper belt. Here's my Kuiper belt. And then next it says fold your strip in half and crease the fold. So we want to do that, line up our two ends of our meter stick and then fold, not our extras. Make a nice crease. Fold the strip back in half from step 3 and then in half again. So fold it in half, then half again going to the meter mark. Unfold the tape and you should have it divided into quarters. On the quarter mark closest to the Kuiper belt, you're going to label it Neptune. So you're going to find Neptune, and the one closest to the Kuiper belt, that's where you're going to tape your Neptune. Okay, I cut out Uranus so to show you. So you want the planet to be off your ticker tape. So if you hang this up, you can see the planets. The reason why you left the name is because you're going to turn over your ticker tape. Remember, you have the name taped or glued there so you know where to put it. And you're going to tape over the name, and that should hold it on the back. So then you're going to end up with the names of the planets here and their number. That's their AU away from the sun. Haven't learned about that yet, but you will. And so you'll have a long string of tape. So I hope this helps, and I'll see you in class. Bye-bye.